Danielle from Zappos.com, and I'm here to show off this style from Skechers. Give your athletic style a fabulous makeover with these amazing sneakers. They're crafted with a leather and textile upper, and they're available in a variety of colorways. They feature a lace up front for a secure fit, and they have two different pull tabs, one at the tongue and one at the heel, so you can easily slide these off and on your feet. I am loving the pops of purple and pink throughout this particular colorway. They also have a padded collar for added ankle support. Inside features breathable textile lining with an air-cooled memory foam cushioned insole for tons of comfort throughout the day. The midsole is thick, adding a little extra style as well as providing shock absorption, and it's all on top of a rubber outsole that's textured and grooved for added traction. You definitely don't want to miss out on this style. Pick up your pair today. They're from Skechers.